Let's make an oats dosa like this. Crispy, thin, very tasty. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's see the whole video. Onto a bowl, urd dal, oats, poha, soak in water, transfer to a blender, add salt, transfer to a bowl, let it ferment overnight, keep in a warm place. Let's make the dosa. Drizzle some oil. We made is ready now. Let's taste. See the crispiness? I'm trying with a yogurt chutney. The sound of crispiness will tell you how beautiful this dosa is. Wow. So, how you eat? Enjoy and eat. That's Josh Moses Kitchen way. That's my way. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Wait for a new interesting recipe. Bye.